Your import shipment just got 40% more expensive overnight and you had zero warning. This is called anti-dumping duty. And if you are importer or an exporter, you need to know this. Anti-dumping duty explained in the most perfect way for import and export business. Imagine you have been importing steel from China at a great price. Your margins are solid. Your clients are happy. Then, one fine morning, your government announces a $400 per ton anti dumping duty. Overnight, your business model is broken. This happened to thousands of importers in India in 2016, and it can happen to you as well, unless you understand anti dumping duty. Let's break it down for you. Anti dumping duty, or ADD, is a special tariff that a country imposes when a foreign company is selling goods below their normal value. This is called dumping. Think of it this way: a Chinese manufacturer sells steel at 40,000 per ton at home, but they export the same steel to India at 25,000. That's a massive price difference. That gap, that's dumping. The formula is simple: normal value minus export price equals the dumping margin. The anti dumping duty is set to close that gap, protecting domestic producers from unfair competition. So, how does government actually impose ADD? It's a legal process and it takes just 8 to 18 months. Step 1: a domestic industry files a complaint. Say Indian Steel Mills with the government authority in India, that's the DGTR. Step 2: the authority investigates, comparing export prices against home market prices or cost of production. Step 3: if dumping ADD injury to domestic industry are both confirmed, a duty is imposed for up to 5 years. After 5 years, there's a sunset review. The duty is either extended or dropped. And here's a critical part for importers. Even during an investigation, a provisional duty can be slapped on immediately. Let me give you one real time example that will make everything click. Example: US versus China for solar panels. The US found Chinese solar panels were being sold at up to 250% below their fair value. The result: duties between 18 to 240%. China fired back with ADD on American polysilicon, a full trade war, all triggered by anti dumping duty. So, what are the key takeaways? So, what does all this mean to your business? If you are an importer, always check for active ADD investigations before signing a long term supply contract. A product that's duty free today could hit with a 40% ADD tomorrow. If you are an exporter, price your goods at or above fair market value and maintain meticulous cost records. Your books are your defense in any investigation. Anti dumping duty is not just a government policy, it's a real business risk hiding in plain sight. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for weekly trade insights, and drop your country in the comments. I will cover anti dumping duty cases specific to your market in the next video. See you there. Thanks for watching us today.